Hey guys, and what's up? In today's video, I am filming a mukbang, as you guys can see. This was earlier in the day, so I'm just gonna let you guys know this for right now. So, thank you guys for watching this.
Hey guys,
The medium rare is like, it's more red.
that's $8. This is $8.
This is $8?
Yes, this is $8.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And you guys
Half
aren't
of
even,
it's stale.
you guys aren't even eating the freaking salsa.
We need salsa.
I don't like
thought it was
salsa.
cheese.
I mean, the salsa's whatever. I don't like. No, that's queso and that's salsa.
Damn, I should have asked for a Sprite or a Coke or a
She
Fanta.
literally asked you.
I know. I didn't.
Water.
I was just anxious. Yo, I almost got in a car accident on.
Oh my god.
Get the Sprite. The Sprite's overpriced. The Sprite's like $4.
Oh yeah.
I'll stick with the
I
water.
ordered Sprite and
Wait,
they
want
gave
her
me
for
a refill
Halloween?
without asking me, and it charged me $8 for
No.
two Sprite.
My brother, he got freaking like a soda, and then like that one girl got a soda and another, and then like Daniel had to pay for it, and the bill ended up being like $30. And
For sodas?
Oh no,
Just, bro,
sodas
like,
and this. That's all we got.
Water's free.
When you think about it, you could just go to Walmart. Oh, we should go to Target later.
No,
I want to ride in their go-karts, like how Allie was in there.
no, that's why I cracked my phone.
Good. Oh, that was a long time ago then. What the hell?
Yeah.
I want to do that.
Look. Do you see that?
Look at all that.
Yo, I gotta go on. Holy shit.
I know. Like the ones at the bottom are like really salty. They're like really.
So what are we gonna do after this?
I don't know.
We should just walk around, honestly. I need to vlog the rest of the night, so.
Oh my god. You
That was
know,
half the waterfall.
dude, she's not the cook.
Yeah, let's try the book.
She, imagine she is the cook. She's like the waiter and the
I'm
cook.
getting something.
How much you wanna bet this is the best one?
As we get our bill, do you want your sandwich?
This one. This one's the best one. You can
After
see.
I get my, yes,
Look,
I
look,
would
look.
love my sandwich. No, you know, fuck you
What's the
guys.
bill?
That's
What's the
why
bill?
Hurricane's better.
In the bill,
Peace.
Oh,
Watch your bill.
the bill. Do you want your sandwich or no?
they're building a Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, no.
Jacob is taking a job there. I think he offered to give me a job.
I already got a job there. I already,
did?
yeah, I got a,
Oh my god,
I
Jacob's
registered.
working there.
A
He
Chick-fil-A?
is? Mhm. It's literally right across the street from me. I live over by
I know. I
Belmont.
tried getting
Oh,
a
so
job
just
there.
walk
Yeah, basically I could just do
Where
that. You know Belmont by Superplay and stuff? I could, when I get my car and everything, I probably like 2-minute drive.
Wait, do you live in that like apartment like?
Yeah, across from Superplay.
Yeah, I know. I was just there. I know some.
When?
I know some of the lives there.
Who? I know,
Oh, no, wait.
Jordan lives over there.
He does.
Before that.
Jordan.
Oh.
Wait, excuse me for a second.
And you guys didn't know, she didn't know which one, so I said the Jewish Jordan.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna like.
You said the weirdest stuff with people like
I
No,
swear.
no, that's
yes,
not it. 'Cause I
yes,
took a
that
picture.
is it.
No, I took a picture and like it was like a weird. It was like to my friend or whatever, and she walked by. And then she
See,
saw
I
it.
like the salt on the nachos.
I know. I love
Their
this.
hot, yeah, their hot tub is so small.
I
It's
know.
probably like this size.
I know. Hey, look at your burger. Like, the burger's $8 too.
I'm about to leave.
I'm not getting charged $8 for it's not coming.
We're paying $4.
How much is this shit? $8?
Yeah.
I'm not paying something really $16.
Yeah, we got one. We got one check.
Paying $16 for something that's not funny.
This is about to be a bomb ass mukbang.
If your food comes.
If.
If
Fucking water, goddamn.
water
Caitlin drinks nothing
mukbang.
but water. It was the she should drink something else other than water.
Really? That's the first.
No.
All last year, all she drank was soda.
No, I did not.
Yes, you
Hey,
did.
yes,
What?
it was.
No, it
Yes, it
wasn't.
was. When you were in a group last year, when we were with Leo, you kept on telling us to buy you soda.
No, I did
Yes, you
not.
did. Yes, you did.
No, I
Yes, you
did
did.
not.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, during lunch
Yes, I had to
with
finish
Coach. Remember
Yes, you did.
the snack shack or snack machine or whatever?
Dude, like once or twice, and I would
No,
take
that
a
was not once or
sip.
twice. That was
I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch. Or
not
It was probably like every other day
No,
at
it
least.
wasn't.
At
They
At
still
least.
have that. They don't have that
No, they
anymore.
don't.
They don't?
No,
No,
our
no,
school's
no.
ass though. so
Our
lucky,
school is really bad because like this year, they refilled everything. Like it's not normal Pepsi or anything. It's like Diet Pepsi, Diet Coke.
Badass. How about that?
Something that thing is disgusting.
wow.
That thing is
Wow.
awesome. You should switch.
I don't want to.
You know you do.
It's just like way too much work. It's just like way too much work, like talking to other people.
You know, I'm gonna put all the stale chips right here.
Dude, no, how do you know they're stale? I think I like licked a couple of those. Yeah, the one, don't touch those ones, because those are the ones I like tried to like rip off and like. Okay, can you please try this? I don't like, ew, look.
That looks so disgusting. That looks so fake.
Wait.
That looks like the school cafeteria type
Bro,
cheese.
hell no. That's like
That's like the school. That's like the school cafeteria cheese. You know when you buy the nachos and everything.
Bro, hell no. You feel that it's not real. You
Oh,
feel it.
that one-
Oh my god.
Bro, like, I put my thing in there. I just
Are
like
you-
broke the shell.
I'm not a cheese person. I
We should
like.
go to Panera now. Mukbang. Can you
So what the fuck are you doing? Burger and Panera?
Oh shit.
After this, you know what?
Oh, I want wings.
If that lady comes out again, I'm gonna ask her to cancel my order and we just go to Hurricane.
Can I get the
Can I-
girl to watch a burger or not?
No, I don't. I'm
You should do that
New
for me.
year, new
I'm not. I don't have the capability of having to do that. Because at least Hurricane we can sit inside and it actually looks nice. Oh,
Okay.
Where you just like, where's my burger?
Yeah.
thank you.
Oh, can I have my water too? Thank you.
She comes back with one. She comes back with one bottle. The whole gallon.
That is disgusting.
Yeah, please move that.
That's not, doesn't. See, I told you.
I should ask her to remove the lettuce and everything too.
You're such a greedy bitch.
Shut up. She asked me which one I want to
Eater.
remove.
Dude, just dip the
No,
ketchup.
I'm gonna wait till she
You don't like
leaves.
lettuce? You don't like lettuce?
No, I don't like fast food places
What
vegetables.
if she like mixes our cup?
What'd you guys order?
So same. Huh?
You guys didn't
Water.
order anything, right?
Oh, there's onions in there. You don't like onions in there?
Thank you.
Caitlin.
Your parents gonna show up?
What? No. No.
Have you been here before?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's why are you so embarrassed? Why are
I don't know. I didn't know.
She's like those funny type of waitresses
Yeah.
that she would always want. Thanks, Caitlin.
She know me from. I don't even know what the fuck.
Hey, there's your goal.
Hey, look, there's your freaking home.
Hey, look, there's your leash. Okay.
I literally just got these two.
And you got paint on them. Oh wait,
It comes like that.
That's the gayest shit I've ever seen. That's the trash!
They honestly should have put one out here. I don't feel like
I know
going
they
all the
should
way
have
and
put
stuff.
them.
I'll eat the meat out of it, I guess.
It looks really good. It looks like a crunch.
Do you want this one?
Oh my god, it looks like a
But actually-
crunch
Do you want
wrap
this
from
one?
like Taco Bell.
You want this one?
No, I don't want it because
I
I
didn't
didn't pay
bite-
for it.
You can have
Give it
it.
to me.
He wants it. He's
You want
paying
it?
for half.
Their onions
Plus,
taste.
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a vegetarian, but you eat
I
nachos.
mean, this looks good as hell.
It does,
There's no
but I
meat,
just.
stupid. Where the fuck was the meat?
She was looking at my camera.
How old are you?
She was looking at my camera.
Alyssa, are you single?
Like some kid like film.
Social experiment. How would the waiter react if you give her $100?
There's
The Impossible Burger.
Dude,
The Impossible
Yo,
Burger.
there's nachos.
I'm getting that.
There's
we're
nachos.
not getting nachos. We're already ate nachos.
I'm telling you, this fucking nachos.
We just come here and spend like $50 on food.
Well, how much money did you bring?
Bro, do you see the prices
You
of
brought
this shit?
$2. Oh yeah, I forgot 20.
Do you see the prices of this shit?
For 5 wings.
Oh no, I don't have that much.
You have 4 5s.
Really? Think about that, Caleb.
4 5s.
Think about the money I brought that you saw.
And think about the money that I brought.
Yeah, you brought 20 like 5s.
I brought 2 5s and I gave it to the waitress, remember?
Yeah, for a tip. Not in the sexual way.
Okay, let's just get wings.
No, in the sexual.
But which wings though?
Bacon
Why don't we
guacamole
get 5
burger.
wings?
Oh, let's get like the hottest sauce.
Stop.
No, if
Get
we're
some
getting,
help.
no, but if we're getting wings, we want it to be a little bit spicy though.
Yeah, me too.
Or we can get some honey garlic
I don't
wings.
care. It doesn't matter. I'll eat it.
Then you do it. We could just get like separate ones.
Oh, or
You can get honey garlic.
They have chicken
Okay, wait,
tenders.
how hot? How hot?
I made chicken tenders with some wings. Thank you very much. Duh.
There's burgers and sandwiches, burgers. I'll take just like burgers.
Yeah. I just want chicken tenders though. I
Oh my
don't.
god, he's gonna pay. He's gonna get all this stuff. He's gonna be like, hey guys, can I have some money? He does that all the time.
No, I don't. I pay for myself. Thank you very much.
Okay, so you can get your 5 wings. We can get 10. I'll pay for our 10. You pay for your 5.
Or you pay for 15. I get chicken tenders.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that. You get your wings. You pay for what you get.
Okay. Well, can I get the 4 chicken tenders?
4 tenders?
How hot? How hot?
Huh?
You say.
You guys have honey mustard?
Mild?
That, please. And then can I also?
How hot do you want the fries? How hot do you want them? Huh? Okay.
What's it?
Can we get 10 wings, mild?
Bone-in?
Bone-in, yes.
You guys eat it with the bone?
Bone-in.
Would you like ranch or blue cheese?
Ranch?
Anything else?
Nah, that's it.
But you didn't look at it. You looked at the girl.
Why would I look at you if I'm ordering to her?
Wait, do they sell fries here?
Yes.
I did not see that on the menu. Okay.
I said there's fries.
You did?
Yes.
I don't remember
I
that.
said to you there's burgers and there's fries and there's
I remember burgers.
salad.
I remember the salads and the burgers. I don't remember anything about burgers, fries. Oh, the side. No, it's not even on the sides. Like what?
It's on the
yes,
side.
it is.
No, it's a side. That's it's an extra $4.
Let's see if she comes back.
I mean, obviously it's gonna come back with food.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna get back to you guys once we get our food, so we can continue this mukbang.
Domestic beer.
2,000 years later.
Okay, guys. So we got our food. Yeah. I got chicken tenders and fries.
What the fuck are you doing? But like, I just don't remember the words to it.
I'm really good at remembering like.
I am not like.
I'll listen to the song one time and then I could like
I can't do
I
that.
have to like hear it like 10 times, like back to back to back.
I have
It's
to
like,
hear it like 100 times back to back to back.
No one called me.
Aren't you special?
No one snapped me. Wow, shocked.
Wow, what a.
You saw like Walton. She got scared.
Why'd you say she?
You like someone for their personality.
No, it's like you.
No, it's
you
personality.
No, it's.
What is
it? No, it's like you would have sex with anything that's a
Yeah.
woman. Yeah.
It's like you like.
Because
like
my friend's pansexual, so I forgot who it was though. I think
Yeah, like you like dogs.
I think it was like Jessica.
I just never mind.
No, no, no.
Cut that out.
No, it's like dogs too.
No, you'll have like sex with it.
Bestiality, simple.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, I got the new Spider-Man game.
Good.
Good game. Damn. That's
I have a
Caitlin's
10.
hand. I know you saw the guy.
I
That's
have
your
one
man.
10, no 5s.
I see 3 different fights right there. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah, those are 5s, definitely. Huh? How about this? How about you give them the
I'm giving the.
How about you give
Caitlin,
them? How about
why
you give
don't
them
you
the
just
20?
give them the 20 and then they're
Ask
gonna
for 10
ask.
back.
Yeah, they're gonna ask if you want to change back.
See, you're not getting what I'm doing.
We are getting what you're doing, though.
We get what you're doing.
I'm putting in 20 and then you're gonna give me the 10. So you already paid. So ultimately you pay the rest.
No, I paid the rent.
Like a box.
What?
And
Oh no, I'll pay it.
Do you have a change for 20? Okay, just a.
See, Caitlin, was that so hard?
4 5s.
What you want?
4 5s.
4 5.
4 or 5s.
I listened to that girl.
Wow. Alright. I see how it is. I see how it is. Sexism. I see how it is.
I forgot the word for that for a second.
I know you did. That's why you didn't say it. This is sexism.
I was like, sex.
I would
I
like to
forgot
give
the
a
rest.
bad rating.
Why do you turn around like that?
What?
The old dude just turned around when you're like, I would like to give a bad rating. You see him turn around. He's like, hey,
I like to give a bad
stop being
rating for
sexist.
sexism. I should have just said no. Give me a tip.
God, I have a lot of editing to do.
Editing, yeah, you really do. You really do. Plus, Caitlin told you to bleep out the names.
Yeah.
And Taco does, so.
So that's gonna take like an hour, thanks to you. And this video was supposed to go up tomorrow, but guess what?
Probably tomorrow night.
Cut out the first part.
Why would you cut out the first part?
What was the last video I posted, Caitlin?
Don't put.
Let's see if she remembers. What was the last video I posted?
I seen.
That was the first video.
Making cookies.
No, that was 3 weeks ago.
Have 210, so I get it. That's fine. I did, but
See?
I got an
See?
A10, not 4 or 5.
Fine, then you want to pay for it?
No.
I'll just take my 10
Oh
back.
my god, that's 50.
Fine, then I'll take my 10 back.
Yo, it's 50 something dollars. What the hell?
Not freaking $11.
The wings were not. No, the wings
wings
were
were
like
12.
20 something.
I'm dead serious. Because you had to get bone in. Some weird
Yeah, they added extra money for the bone-in wings.
They did?
Yes.
Oh my ass. I want to check this. Wait, sorry, it's in my turn. Bone-in wings. 10 wings. $12.99.
Yeah, but it said
Actually,
all.
it's look, when you look at boneless, it's $1 extra.
Yeah, but it says bone. It says bone in, and it says the extra $12.99.
Exactly, 10 wings for bone-in
I know,
wings.
but it says
$12.99.
10 wings, and then it says plus $10.99.
Remember, you're paying for your shit.
Remember, I ate 2 celery sticks.
Yeah, you're starving yourself. I don't know why you did that.
So what are you paying for? You're paying.
I'll give
You
$10.
have the side. You have the side of fries, and you're paying.
I
Yeah,
added $10.
What's your $59 for $6.99?
$11. I'm putting in $11 because that's including tax money and stuff.
I put. We have 20. So you just put in $8. Put in $8.52.
Oh, okay. I'll give you a 10. Wait, do I even have that?
Alright, the $2.
I said I like how I told my mom I would only spend $5, but I'm only coming home with $5.
Because we've been to 2 restaurants.
It's a 1. Oh, wait, no, it's a 10.
Been to one. That does not count as a fucking restaurant.
How could I
I'll
not
give you
count?
6.
Motherfucker, that's not enough.
I need V-Bucks.
Nigga.
Why is the pen look fake? The $10 is fake.
It's not fake. Shut up. I got it from Target, so it can't be fake.
Is that $30?
Watch it actually be fake.
$2 tip.
No, a $2. No.
Fine, then what do you want? How much tip? You don't want a
What,
tip?
what were you gonna give her?
So you don't want a tip her?
No. How much were you gonna tip her? I thought that was the.
This is 30. 20 and 52. This is $4 tip.
$2.
Okay, I gave you a 10.
That is $2.
Okay,
$2.
where's
30, 20 and 52. That's like a $2 tip. Close enough.
You should give her at least 5. So.
Oh, you fucking.
I'm sorry. I mean, like if I was a.
I wouldn't spend all my money.
That's not why I'm saying that. I'm just saying it because like, what's it called? I barely have any money, and I kind of need it for gas money. And then $6 does not give you that much miles. I'm just gonna say that.
Wait, that's $2 tip.
So just 3. Thank you. Daniel coming in clutch. Yeah. So how? Yeah. Like I was asking, how did you get all this money?
Christmas.
Really? I got no money for Christmas. If I didn't get money, my mom made me put it in the bank.
Yeah, imagine her here.
Didn't you go to Zuni's?
Yeah.
That's what she spent it
I
all.
had extra money. I spent like literally like $8.
Oh, they were gonna say 800.
I only got like 3 shirts.
My friend, she got $500 for Christmas. Guess what she did? She went to the mall and spent it all.
You can put it in here. You know that.
$500 plus her birthday money.
Like $100 at the mall. That's like the.
See, when I get money, like I want to save up all my money to get at least 200. Yeah,
No, it is like it is. Cause like, I'm really good at money.
I'm horrible at money. If I need
No, I'm good
money
at it.
tips, I'll come to you then, Caitlin.
Okay. really, I'm really good at
You
that.
should come with me. Like next time I go to the bar, you should come with me so I don't waste all my money. Oh my god. Okay. All right, guys. So that's the end of today's video. And no, we don't have to wait.
The money in there.
I know,
Okay.
like, weird
So.
thing here. What if someone grabs it and they think that we didn't pay for it?
Okay. You know, screw you. Okay, guys. So. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.